South Korea's National Assembly voted 190-0 to retract the martial law declared by President Yoon a mere 6 hours earlier. See that pie chart? One color, green. This was the first declaration of martial law in nearly a half century. In October of 1979, the longtime dictator, General Park Chung-hee, was assassinated. But by December, a new military officer, General Chun, took control in a bloody nighttime coup. In May of 1980, he declared martial law. In Gwangju, a 200,000-person student uprising arose. On the 26th of May, General Chun sent in the military to suppress it. This escalated into an armed conflict that killed thousands of civilians. There is a reason we should resist military deployment on civilian protests. Korean democracy would have to wait. Seoul was scheduled to host the 1988 Olympics. With the international eye on the country, political opposition felt emboldened. Millions took the streets in the 1987 democratic struggle. General Chun agreed to end the dictatorship peacefully, holding elections before the games began. The economic consequences of political disruption can be severe. 1980 was one of only 3 years of negative economic growth for South Korea in the past 85 years. The other two were the Asian financial crisis of 1997 as well as 2020 COVID. Surprisingly, they were able to eke out growth during the 2009 global financial crisis. While initially the North Korean economy grew quicker, by 1980 the economic outcomes had reversed, leading to an astronomical gap today. The stock price for the large Korean online retailer Coupang took a dip this morning. It's traded on the New York Stock Exchange so it can respond in real time to the late-night National Assembly vote, and we do see some recovery. While the unanimous National Assembly vote is promising, it alone won't be enough. Again, showing the power of various economic forces, the Korean Federation of Trade Unions has called for a labor strike until President Yoon steps down. There are more than 1 million members, including workers at Hyundai. And as I record this on a Samsung phone, I hope for a peaceful and swift resolution on such a front to freedom and democracy.